Unfortunately, there is not a census that can accurately calculate the casualties caused by natural disasters in Salt Lake City and their mountains, because we have to factor in avalanches, earthquakes, potential floods, landslides, thunderstorms, winter storms, wildfires, and its wildlife. Humans can be even more destructive towards nature, such as littering, not understanding the car pollution, different facilities, and they're polluting the air as well, such as oil companies. Then we have a huge landfill of garbage. Also, our crops are being poisoned with fertilizers and deforestation. A darker part of destruction that man does is destroy one another. You don't see nature destroying itself. You see it causing destruction to help create a balance for the environment. And that's what we should do. Here is a view of Salt Lake City. Up in the mountains, near Little Cottonwood Canyon, you see a lake. That's the reservoir. And circling around, it looks like this mountain is a big, giant sleeping alligator.